So what you gonna do with that, Keisha? I'm gonna dip my syrup in it. I'm gonna spice all that. Normally, I'm not really attracted to gingers, to redheads. I'm not really, it's just not my forte. And y'all know I'm attracted to a large span of people. Oh, he's so sexy to me. He can get it. Let me not lie. He can get it.
Diversity. Miss Diversity. 3. Diversity. Miss Diversity. 3. Diversity. Miss Diversity. 3. Diversity. Miss Diversity.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss Diversity coming at ya. What's up, my D3 tribe? And if you ain't part of the tribe, then you need to subscribe. How is everybody doing today? Good, I hope. Y'all, today I am bringing you a turkey sub mukbang. On the menu today, we got a Publix turkey sub. On top of it is lettuce. This is on a whole grain roll. There's lettuce, there's spinach, there's jalapeno peppers, there's pickles, there's bell pepper, and there's honey mustard, plus provolone and cheddar cheese. Also, I have some Cheetos here. It's got extra Flammin' hot Cheetos. Yo, I saw Tasha from Steph and Tasha eating these one time. And I was on a search to find them. And maybe last year, mid last year, I finally found them. And now I saw them again. So I picked them up a couple days ago. To drink, we have some H.O. as always. Stay hydrated. Also, we have some white Zinfandel, some oak leaf white Zinfandel I got for LELE'S at Walmart. No more on my little boys at Walmart. Go ahead and pop his cherry. I can't see it. Sorry. Salute, top sippers in the house. Y'all don't mind that sound back there. Poppy taking a shower. A bath. Well, he's finished taking a bath. That's good. Let's go ahead and unassemble this because it's blocking me. You know, I'm a little short. As WBT, aka Big Head, said to y'all. And I'm sorry it's not on NENE's phone, y'all. We giving my phone a whirl. Let's cross our finger, toes, eyes, nose, and butt cheeks. And then hope that she does not cut off. Okay? Okay. All right. All right, y'all. Without further ado, let's go ahead and give thanks and get to grabbing. Okay, yeah, I'm hungry. I couldn't wait on her phone. Oh, it's so good. But I need to record this video. And she's uploading the video right now. Y'all, for some condiment sauces, I got the sweet chili sauce with spring roll sauce. Same thing to me. NENE says a difference. I don't know. It tastes the same to me. Oh, there go the train. Gonna pull over that. And then also, I picked up my 2-time spicy sauce that I left at Angie's. Actually, this is not it. This is it. So what you gonna do with that, Keisha? I'm gonna dip my syrup in it. All right, y'all. Ooh. Let's mix it. Yes, I've tried this before. So I know how to taste. Hold on. Hold on, Cletus. My crystal acting a little stank. No, like a stank crystal. Y'all, this is way too big for my mouth. I think hands down. Short on Keisha. Hands down, in my opinion, Publix has the best subs. I think it's the bread. I think it makes bread. I don't know what makes it the best. It doesn't get all soggy and stuff. It stays like taut and stuff. And y'all, I ain't give y'all a bite. I'm so sorry. Y'all didn't get a bite of the butt. Go and get y'all a bite. You got it? Sorry about that. I was hungry. The spice all that. I can legit put Publix sub in the refrigerator for a couple days, and the bread still be good. It's not all soggy. I have yet to encounter another sub place that I can do that with the subs. It's about the time I get it, it's already getting soggy. They had their subs on sale today. Whole sub. Boar's head for $6.99. Yeah, that's pop. Acting like a tornado. There you go. No door closed. Yeah, I know my doors be squeaking. I thought about putting like WD-40 on them to make them stop squeaking. But then I changed my mind. Because then I won't be able to hear them going in and out. I be wanting to know what I may go in and out. Because you be up in here stealing food. Okay? None of them can't sneak out. What's your favorite sub place? And what do you like to order from them? Publix is a grocery store, by the way. For y'all don't have Publix, it's a grocery store. So subs is like, you know, from the deli. Oh, it's good. How's everybody doing today? What are you eating on? What are you drinking on? What are you sipping on? Is the outside open yet? I mean, fully open. I know I've been a little rebel because I had to do stuff. But is it open? I saw my feed. The Costco was going to go back to regular business hours, but they're still going to reduce their the amount of people to allow in, like only 2 per cart, and then they're going to require everyone to wear masks. Unless you have a reason that you can't wear a mask, you have to wear one whenever you're going there. I'm hoping everyone still obeys. The PS law. I call it the PS law, the personal space law. It's not really a law. It's a, what do you call it? It's not really a law. Regulation. Oh, what is it called? I don't think it's regulation. Don't quote me. Oh, child. All right. I'm not sure when this Video's going to be released. But before we get too far gone, I'm going to go ahead and do the post notification shout outs. I'm going to insert them. And the post notification shout outs go to you. Thank you so much for being part of the notification tribe. I truly appreciate you. And it wasn't a post notification, it was tribe notification. Tribe. Thank you so much for being part of the notification tribe. I truly appreciate you. Like always, if you would like to be part of the notification tribe, all you have to do is be within the first 3. Hold on, kiss bird. Ooh, excuse me. The first 3, the comment on video, and I'll shout you out in the following video. If for some reason I forget to shout you out in that video, I would double up, triple up, quadruple up on the following video and shout you out then. Long story short, you will get your shout out, boo. Okay? Okay, back to this stuff. So y'all, while y'all been quarantining, while y'all been quarantining, have y'all been like watching any new shows? I have. Well, the actual show is not new. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna eat both of these. I never eat both of these. That's just way too much food for my stomach capacity. But anyway, this show is not really new, but it's new to me. Y'all probably already know about it. Y'all probably already heard of it. It's called Highlander. Is it Outlander? No, I think it's Highlander. Something Lander. Okay. Now I need to look it up. Anyway, something Lander. So I've been watching that show. Yo, I like it. This lady, she lives in the 1940s at first, and then now we're in the 1960s. I'm in season 3. She's from the 1940s, and she goes back in time to the 1700s. Do these ancient magical stones. And then while she was over there in the 1700s, when she was in 1940s, she was married. She was a war nurse, an army nurse, and she was taking her. The war had just finished, so she was trying to take her second honeymoon in Scotland. In Scotland, there's these magical stones, and they practice paganism in this town. That's what they label it, paganism. To me, there's no labels to me, because pagan seems like it has a negative connotation to me. But anyway, so you know anything other than Christianity is pagan. So anyway, they practice this type of paganism in this small town. Her husband watched these women, who they call witches, in there do this little ceremony. Around the sacred stone. Yeah, I'm giving this quick synopsis. The lady ended up going back because she wants to pick a flower. Her name is Claire, by the way. And her husband's name is Frank. She's ended up going back in town. She ended up going back to the stones to pick a flower. And she hears this buzzing or calling to her. And she touches on one of the stones. And she's transacting in time to 1700s. Scotland. Anyway, long story short, she ended up like having to build a whole life there, because she didn't know whether she was gonna go back in time to her regular time. And she meet this guy. His name is Jamie. He ended up becoming her husband. I'm not telling the reason why. Y'all gotta watch it if you want to see. I don't want to ruin it for you. You want to watch it. And she'll get pregnant by him. But anyway, fast forward. Jamie's going to this war. They're trying to change time where Scotland wins, but where the Highlanders win. Jamie thought he was going to die, so he sent her back through the stones, back to the 1900s. But she was pregnant with his child. Her husband, Frank, was still waiting on her. Although it was 3 years later. And she came back. No one knew where she was. The Scotland people living in that town believed the story. Fast forward to where I'm at now. It's like 20 years later. Taylor had a baby. Frank passed away. He raised the baby as his own. He knew it wasn't his own, though. Baby looked just like Jamie, y'all. So Claire wanted to know if Jamie was still alive, and Claire's I'm telling this story like I got no enthusiasm. I actually really like the show. So Claire never stopped being in love with Jamie. She never stopped being in love with him. She went back to the 1900s with Frank because they wanted to try to save the baby and save Claire because Jamie loved her like that. So anyway, she ended up telling the baby, which name is Brianna, named after her grandfather, Jamie's father, whose name was Brian. Claire ended up telling her the real story. They didn't believe it, but then they saw another woman go through the stones while they were there in Scotland. I didn't tell you Claire moved to America and all that. Dang, I'm sorry. But anyway, they were visiting back in Scotland. So Claire, fast forward to where I am. Claire, it's 20 years later. Claire has a daughter. She's, grown. She knows about her father. Claire's seen this lady who she met back in the 1700s go through the stones. They wanted to try to stop her, but then that's when Claire's daughter started believing her that, yes, she does. She did go through time. She thought maybe she just had an affair on her dad, who she considered her dad, who was Frank. And that's how she got pregnant with her. She didn't even believe her mom. She thought her mom was crazy. Ooh, excuse me, Keisha Bird. So anyway, they found clues that Jamie was still alive. They thought Jamie was dead, but they found clues that Jamie was still alive. And so Claire wanted to go back and be with him. She got her daughter's blessings. And so Claire went back to go find her boo thing that she fell in love with Jamie. Anyway. Claire finds Jamie, but he's going under another name because he's doing stuff he ain't got the business doing. Jamie couldn't believe that Claire was back. They got busy and everything. They had a good relationship. Child. Better social life than me. But, they were like their one true loves. So they were picking up where they left off at. Basically, when she left the first time. But Jamie got a secret, okay? Jamie had a secret. Come to find out, when she was gone, oh, y'all, I got to fill in the blank. Okay, why? Claire was there. It was before she married Jamie, there was another girl that was in love with Jamie. The first time Claire was there was the first time. Just another girl, he that was in love with Jamie and wanted Jamie to be her own, but Jamie was in love with Claire. All right, I needed to tell you that. This girl, was so scorned, so jealous of that Jamie married and impregnated Claire. She even went as far as trying to get Claire convicted of witchcraft, y'all. She's not cute either. What is her name? Longrian? That's an ugly little thing. She's like a gerbil. Anyway, this happened before Claire went back to the stones. Now, back to what I was talking about. 20 years later, Claire baby know the truth, beyond the truth. Claire went back through the stones. It's now 1960 something. To find her boo thing. She found her boo thing. They tried to pick up where they left off. Although he had a secret. Couple secrets actually. So my last place I saw, I ended up having to stop at Paul's because they didn't want to go to bed. While she was gone, Jamie ended up getting married, which was nothing. You know what I'm saying? It's nothing. He ended up getting married. He had kids. He could have told her when she came back, but I don't know what he was waiting on. But the new wife is the girl who tried to get her convicted of witchcraft. I was like, oh, but Jeebus. Oh, my Jeebus. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my Jeebus, y'all. Child, what is in the anarchy is going on? Get it? Like Sons of Anarchy. Child, leave me alone. Y'all know I'm corny. Leave me alone. Anyway, that's why I left off at. I'm really interested in this show. I love like magical sci-fi, like sci-fi / kind of realistic, like it possibly can happen type shows. Do you understand what I'm saying? I like those kind of shows. You know, and I'm watching this. Normally, I'm not really attracted to gingers, to redheads. I'm not really. It's just not my forte. And y'all know I'm attracted to a large span of people. But I don't know. Redheads don't really just float my boat. But child, Jay be so sexy to me. Oh, he's so sexy to me. He can get it. Let me not lie. He can get it. I'm a mess. But I'm serious. That's a sexy little, Claire. I'm like, child, you were gone for 20 years. She's trying to pack up her stuff. I'm trying to wonder where she's going because I cut it off. I don't know. I gotta watch it. See. But I'm on my 3rd season. And there's only 3 seasons on Netflix, but on Stars, they got all 5 seasons. I wonder, is that show still going on? Like, is it a current show? Meaning, is it still running? I wonder. I gotta look it up. I originally picked it because the fact that she went back in time. And there wasn't like a, what's the word? Something that's totally unbelievable, like it can't happen. You understand what I mean? It interests me. Those really, really far-fetched things, like, nah, this ain't no way this can happen. Because I think, like, different, I don't know. I don't think this is our only existence. It's very, very hard for me to believe. Even if you look at any religion, it shows just other existence. Heaven is another existence right there in itself. I just don't believe this is just our only existence. And that's just me. Stuff like it intrigues me. Stuff like that intrigues me. So I clicked on, I was looking at a couple other things. Some other ones I was looking at. I like realistic TV shows too. Well, series, Netflix series, you know. When I say realistic, I'm not talking about some, what the heck is it called? Reality TV. I don't like that. No, because it's just as fictitious as the fairy tale stories. No, that's okay. I'd rather have the fairy tale stories. Anyway, because it's scripted. Anyway, so I saw that it had more than one season. Because a lot of series only have like 1 season. I don't know why. Maybe because they're going now and it just came out. But I like stuff I can watch over a period of time. So it had more than 1 season, so that's why I initially picked it. In addition to its description. Ooh, y'all. It don't look good. It's fine anyway. Have you seen Outlander? Outlander? Whatever the show's called. Have you seen it? Do you like it? How far are you? I hope I didn't spoil it for you. Well, y'all might be done with it. Don't spoil it for me what's about to happen. I haven't seen. By the time I come back to you, I'm going to know what happened though. This is a wonderful combination. I got my starch, I got my meat, I got my veggies. Oh, this is good. I got my junk. I got my fruit. I have my fruit. And I have my water. I'll say it's a pretty balanced meal, don't you agree? All right, y'all. That's my last bite. Ooh, I'm full. I'm busting out of my pants down here, y'all. Ooh, child. Let's put a little bit of some Cheetos on there. Make us a sub volcano. There we go. Last bite, y'all. Last bite. Hey. That's so good. So good. Let me stop. It tastes good. Stop. Woo, I'm full. I am so full. I feel good. I'm going to watch me some Outlander. Watch me some Highlander. Whatever. All right, guys. Welcome to the end of our program. Thank you for joining me on my turkey sub mukbang. Like always, if you like what you see and you want to see more, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit subscribe, become part of the tribe, the D3 tribe. Turn on your post notifications to notify of any and every video that we release. Comment below and so that you're there. Share, because sharing is caring. Give this video a big old like or dislike if it's your cup of tea. And stay tuned for more. Until next time, peace, love, and lots of hair grease. Deuces.